Hi everyone, this is our first educational video. In this video, we will explain each and every aspect about trial balance. So let me start with a brief introduction of trial balance. So what exactly is a trial balance? It is a statement prepared by putting all the debit account on one side and the credit account on another side to check the arithmetical accuracy of ledger account. It is a link between ledger account and final account. The second point is the debit and credit balance must be equal. And the third point is it is the basis of preparation of final account. Now I will call upon Mr. Harish to explain the performance of trial balance. He will give you some tricks which will help you to make a perfect trial balance.
Hi guys, today I am going to explain about the performance of trial balance and there are some tricks about the trial balance. This is the performance of trial balance. Here the first thing is serial number or date and the second thing is particular. Then left hand side should be the debit and right hand side should be the credit. Okay. After that I am going to explain about the basic tricks in the trial balance. Okay. This is the basic accounting equation. Assets is equal to liability plus capital. Based on that, debit side, assets and expenses should be there. After that debit, I am going to explain about the credit. In the credit, the liabilities and income should be there. That's it. Please make a note on that. This is the major thing in the trial balance.
Let me give you a little idea about what are assets, liabilities, expenses and income. So, assets include plant and machinery, land and building, debtors and so on. Moving to liabilities. Liabilities include creditors, bank overdrafts, bank loans and so on. Okay. Moving to expenses. Expenses include wage paid, rent paid, purchases and so on. Moving to income side. Income includes sales, commission received, discount received and so on.
Let's take an example of creating a trial balance taken from the ledger of Messrs. Krishna Trading. Prepare a trial balance as on 31st March 2015. So these are the particulars, namely cash, trade debitors, rent, salaries, trade creditors, etc. Now have a look at the solution. Now cash comes under assets, so it comes under the debit account. Okay. So we have written cash in the debit account. Now trade debitors, it is also an asset, so we have written in the debit account. Rent is an expense, so I have written in the debit account. Salary, expense, so we have written in the debit account. Trade creditor, it is a kind of liability, so we have written in the credit account. Insurance, it is also an asset, so we have written in the debit account. Petty expenses, it is a kind of expense, so we have written in the debit account. Now opening stock, it is an asset, so we have written in the debit account.
Sales comes from the income, so it comes on the credit side. Purchases comes on the debit side. Capital is the liability, so it comes on the credit side. Drawings is an expense, so it comes on the debit side. Motor vehicles is an asset, it comes on the debit side. Machinery is an asset, it comes on debit side. Office expense is an expense, which comes on debit side. Machinery expense also comes on debit side. Fuel expense also comes on debit side. So total is 3,89,600. It's got equal on both the sides. So balance is tallied on both sides, then the trial balance is correct.
Start.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you have got some basic knowledge about trial balance.
And do like our video and share it with your friends who want to learn about the trial balance.
Thank you.
तो स्टार्ट क्या होता है?
Thank you.
1 2 3